Did you know that nearly 90% of new moms face challenges with breastfeeding? If you're one of them, you're not alone. Today, we're tackling some of the most common breastfeeding hurdles and sharing practical tips to help you overcome them. Let's make your breastfeeding journey smoother and more enjoyable. First up, let's talk about latching difficulties. A proper latch is crucial for effective breastfeeding, but it can be tricky at first. Here are some signs your baby might not be latched correctly. 1. Baby is making a smacking sound while feeding. 2. You feel pain during breastfeeding. 3. Your nipple appears flattened or misshapen after feeding. To improve the latch, try these tips. 1. Hold your baby close with their belly against yours. Their head should be slightly tilted back, making it easier for them to open wide. 2. Use your hand to compress your breast, making it easier for your baby to latch on. 3. Don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant if you're struggling. It's their job to help. Next, let's address sore nipples. Many new moms experience discomfort, but it shouldn't be unbearable. If you're feeling pain, consider these tips. 1. Check your latch. A poor latch can lead to soreness. Ensure your baby is latched on correctly. 2. Use nipple cream. Apply a lanolin-based cream to soothe and protect your nipples. 3. Air them out. Letting your nipples air dry can also help with healing. If the pain persists, consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying issues. Finally, let's talk about milk supply concerns. It's normal for moms to worry about whether they're producing enough milk. Here are some signs your milk supply is sufficient. 1. Your baby is gaining weight. 2. They have regular wet and dirty diapers. If you're still concerned, try these strategies to boost your supply. 1. Frequent nursing. The more you nurse, the more milk your body produces. Aim for 8 to 12 feedings in 24 hours. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids to support milk production. 3. Consider pumping. After nursing, pump for a few minutes to help stimulate more milk production. Remember, breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby. Don't be discouraged by challenges. Many moms face them. It's all about finding what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other new moms. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and support on your breastfeeding journey. You've got this, and we're here to help you every step of the way.